morning students, myself Dr. T. Sudarshan Ramaperumal. Today we are going to see about the IP version 4 protocol. IP version 4. Internet protocol is a glue that holds the internet together, communicating in the internet. Transport layer takes the data stream and breaks up them into the packets. There is called datagram. An IP datagram can up to 64 KB, but in practice they are about 1500 bytes. Each IP datagram is routed through the internet, possibly being fragmented into the smaller units it goes. When all the fragmented gets to the destination machine, they are reassembled by the network layers into the original datagram, which are bundled into the transport layer. This is a simple IP version protocol datagram format. Here we have the version, IHL, differentiate services, total length, identification, DFMF, fragmentation offset, time to leave, protocol, header checksum, source address, destination address, and optional data. First we go and see about the version. Identification version field is identify the version of the protocol. IHL field is used to identify the length of the IP headers. The length of the header is represented by 32 bits. And differentiate services correspond to type of services. The first 3 bits of the field is priority bits, and the ignored today the next 3 bits represent type of services, and last 2 bits is unused. And total length, this represents the total IP datagram length. Identification enables the destination host to determine which datagram a newly arrived fragmented belongs to. All fragments of the datagram contains the same identification value. DF bits, don't forget fragmented bits, and more fragment. All fragments except the last one have bits set to 1. Fragment offset indicates where in the current datagram this fragment belongs to. Time to leave is used to limit package lifetime, and protocol tells the IP which transport protocol to be used, TCP or UDP. Header checksum verify the headers, and source and destination address indicate the IP addresses of the host. Optional presence of optional indicates IHL field. Optional includes record route, timestamps, and strict source routing. IP fragment is large IP datagram that can be carried in the frame is called as maximum transmission unit. Is about the length of 1500 bytes. And MTU is used for point-to-point links. And here we use the host to router, we use the Ethernet, and router to router FDDA method. And router to router 3 we use the point-to-point, and once again router to host 3 we use the Ethernet. IP fragment is fragmented package. So total 1400 database will be fragmented into small bytes. We have 512 database, 512 database, and 376 database. IP addresses. There are 5 different classes of IP addresses: Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class E. Class A is the only network address and host address, and Class B we have 10 network address and host address. Class C 110 network address and host address. Class D 1110 multicast address. Class E 1111 and reserved for the future use. So for Class A 10.0.02 127.255.255.255. For Class B 128 to 191, and Class C 192.2 223, Class D 224 to 239, and Class E 242 to 55. Class IP addresses are hierarchical, that is made up of 2 ports, network port and the host port. Class A has a 7-bit network port, 24-bit of host port. Class B is used for 2 port 14 classes, and Class C is 2 port 21 classes. Subnetting. Original internet as was that one IP address uniquely identify one physical address. Subnetting is